so has been squirrels and chipmunks. I find them very expressive, and like the way they move their bodies is enough like humans that it's very easy to like have a kind of character going. Did this one with it's a relief carving, so there's the head of a bear on one side, and then there's this blueberry bush, and on top of the blueberry bush is a squirrel, and they're both screaming at each other. I call it high noon at the blueberry patch. I don't know, like there are a lot of animals you can do stuff like that with, but with squirrels I think that there are a lot more you can do with.